We touched more than $1 million in sales with the clothing brands that we're working with. This Q4, this Black Friday, as you can see, this brand we did $91,000. Let me give it a quick refresh. On $91,000. This one we did $398,000, as you can see. And then these are some of the smaller scale brands that are working with 15,000, 29,000 in the last 30 days. And we're working with like 80 brands. And if you look at the other brands that we're working with, we've touched more than $1 million in sales. And in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly the stuff we implemented to get this much numbers with the brands that we're working with, and how you can do the same for your brand. Clothing brand roadmap. And first of all, why it works, why were we able to get this much numbers, and how you can do the same for yourself. The reason why it works is clothes are in demand. Everybody needs clothes. Every single person in this life needs clothes. Clothes are literally in fucking demand. You think the clothing brand game is saturated? It's not saturated. Every single day people are buying clothes, so you have to show up when the people need clothes. You need to make clothes that people need to buy. People must buy once they see it. You need clothes that people will literally see and be like, I'm going to buy this shit. That's the type of shit you need. And the second thing is brands lack systems. Brands don't have any system. Brands don't know how they're getting sales. Alright, so how I usually work with my clients and how I usually do this is we have a full funnel breakdown. Number one, where do we get the most traffic from? So where is your main traffic from? Is it from ads? Is it from organic? And double down. If it's organic, double down on organic. If you're getting enough sales organically, ask yourself, should I venture into ads just to scale? And let's say you're getting like good sales from ads. Ask yourself, how can I get better? Should I spend more on ads? Should I post more organically so that I build a warmer audience and my ads convert more? Stuff like this. You just gotta ask yourself and break down every single system, break down every single funnel and how you're gonna get sales. Look at the product that performs the most and break it down. Like, you just gotta break it down. And also, I want you to know that you only need 1 to 3 winning products to make good fucking numbers. You need only 1 to 3 winning products. You don't need a shit ton of winning products. The more the better. But you need to build like 1, 2, 3 good products. So number one, your average of value is going to be high, and at the end, everything's just going to be better for you. So I'm gonna go back to the actual system now, and this is exactly how you can do it. This is the fucking roadmap. So this is the roadmap, as you can see. The number one thing we do for all the brands that we're working with, and all of these brands have this single thing like familiar, is hype/FOMO. So basically, I'm gonna talk about hype first. So hype is basically making people want the product, making people get hyped about a product. And how do you build hype? Through posting. It's either through ads, like pre-drop ads before the drop, and then organic. What you should try to focus on before you drop is actually building hype organically. And how do you build hype organically? Posting consistently 1 to 3 times every single day on Instagram and on TikTok. That's how you fucking build hype. Build as much hype as you can. The more traffic, the better. And then when you're building that hype, I want you to bring in FOMO, fear of missing out. Make the people get scared of missing out. Make the people think that they shouldn't miss out on this. And what I want you to do is implement the fear of selling out. That's the main goal. Tell them there's only a limited stock and your pieces are going to sell out as quick as possible. Tell them that there's a limited time sale and everything, especially in Q4 right now. You should tell them like the sale is going to be a very, very limited sale, so they don't miss out on the sale, and the stock is going to be very limited. Like, just tell them that your pieces are not too much, they're actually scarce. Make your brand look scarce to the customers. So the second thing we went crazy on is the 80-20 rule. How does the 80-20 rule is? The 80-20 rule basically means finding out what works and doubling down on it. I'm gonna explain how it basically works. So let's say you have like 5 products in your collection, and then 2 of the products sell the most. What I want you to do is go to your Shopify and go to your data and go to your reports, and then go to total sales by product, and then put in like the last 30 days or last 90 days. And then what you're going to do is filter it by most sales. So you're going to look at like your top 2 products that perform the best. I'm actually just go I'm gonna go on like a Shopify and do that. Alright, so how you can do this is by going through your Shopify and then go into reports. Is going to be right under analytics and go to total sales by product. And the last 90 days with this brand, as you can see, if you filter it in the last 30 days, you'll see like which product brought in the most sales for you. So for this brand, it is this basic tracksuit jogger and this basic tracksuit zipper. So it's basically a set and then followed by a jogger chrome. So these three products, these are the products we are going to focus on. These are the best performing products. So what you're going to do is you're going to give 80% of your focus on that product, 80% of your focus on the top 3 winning products, top 10% winning products. You're going to give your focus on it, both organically and on ads. How you can do that organically is by posting the most amount of content for that product, for your winning product. But the reason I like doing this is it's because you become efficient. People like those products the most because they're buying those products the most. So you just focus on them and double down on them. So you're not wasting anything. And then how you can double down on the 80-20 rule with ads is like paid ads, for example. How you can do that is by giving the most budget and running the most creatives on your winning products. Like your winning products, that's the products you should focus on. You should notice, like, it's always better to focus on what's working the best, doubling down on what's working the best. That's the best way to go. It's good to test other products, but just double down what's working the best. So after 80-20 rule, we have offers. So we were fucking printing offers, the SKU form. So basically a good example of offers is the spend more save more. So the spend more save more basically means, so for example, now you can say spend 200, get a 30% discount. Spend 200, spend 200 on your website and then get this much discount, or spend 200, get this free product. Like, just put in something to incentivize customers, something you think will convert. It's all about testing basically. And this is a fucking no-brainer offer to if fucking goes crazy. I'm not even supposed to be giving you this much sauce because I should low-key be keeping this for my clients. So if you want to actually work with my agency so that we can get the type of results we're getting for our clients, we can fucking change your life and fucking change your brand, just apply using the link below. Just booking a call using the link below. You can just hit me up on Instagram and I can get back to you. Everything is down below. So the second offer that goes crazy is the buy X get Y. So for example, buy 2 get 1 free. Like, you should, like, when doing this offer, you should know your cost of production. You should calculate your profit margins and everything. Make sure your margins are on point, or the offers are going to be useless because you are going to be wasting money. So before you do any offer, any stuff, find your cost of production and calculate your cost of production and calculate the profit and everything, so that the offers can even be worth it. Because if the offers are not worth it, there's no point of running those offers. It's just better you just go alone. Like, it's good sometimes because it makes people buy more if the offers are good, but the offer should always be worth it. So so another means of Alright, so after the offers, like after every single thing here, the most important, I should have added this in the beginning, is traffic. So let's say you're getting the most FOMO, everything, like 80-20 rule and everything, offers, you have the best backend, best website, everything. What will happen if you don't have traffic, if you don't have people, actually real people going to the website? Everything is going to be useless if people are not going to the website. The main goal of having a good backend is having traffic and then converting them with the backend. If your traffic is shit, nobody's going to buy your stuff. So how you can build actual good traffic and how we actually build traffic for the brands that are working with is number one is free organic traffic. And it's fucking hard right now. Organic is hard. Organic is fucking hard. I'm not even going to bullshit you, but organic is hard. So how does organic work? You post content organically. You post content on Instagram, on TikTok. It's free. It's just the hard work you have to put in and everything. You post like 2 to 3 times a day, consistently, every single fucking day, 2 to 3 times a day, 2 to 10 times a day, bro. You can post 10 times, the more the better. So post that much time, and then you can convert them through your stories. Like, have a story sequence where you actually convert, you take the traffic to your website and have your website in the link, like in your bio too, so that you can convert that traffic. So organic, that's the first method of getting traffic. It's free, but it requires hard work and it requires actually knowing. I'm not even going to make it complicated for you. So the second and the best is through paid ads. Through paid ads. And how do you get traffic through paid ads? By actually spending money on ads. As you can see, these are like some of the brands that we're working with. Like through paid ads, we were able to spend that $600 to get back on $8,000. Right over here, we spent 12 over 1K to get back $8,000 in a single day, 11 to get back for $3,000. So we actually be fucking printing through ads. So ads are fucking goated. Ads are fucking goated. You can start ads with like $50 a day and then reinvest the revenue usually back into the ads. So yeah, that's basically, if you want to work with us, just apply using the link below and then let's fucking get into it.